Emoji maker. Oh no. Lincoln.
What?
Time to get up, buddy.
That was loud and bright.
Yee, got the iPhone. It's the $1,200 poop emoji.
Next subject.
Is it poop or ice cream?
It's definitely poop.
Well, good morning, buddy. This is the first time that you've been woken up by a pile of poop.
Yeah, maybe the last.
Today is the day. It is the most requested video in a very long time. We have never, ever done an iPhone. Today we got the iPhone 10. This is finally a phone that Lincoln is excited to cut open for the same reason that I think a lot of you, our viewers, are excited for it. One thing. The poop emoji. The poop emoji. There's a zipper right underneath the poop down there. Unzip me. Happy iPhone day. Down here, I think it's ice cream.
It's not ice cream.
It's ice cream. It's chocolate ice cream with eyes on it. Either way. This feels really good in my hands.
I want to hold it.
Hold it. So the side of this phone is beautiful stainless steel. It is so clean and nice.
Can you see my face? Yay!
This has got to be the worst face setup in the history of face setups. And now for the moment of truth, the moment we've all been waiting for. That frowny face. Whoa.
I bet it looks so ridiculous.
It's just following your face. That frowny face. Do the frowny face again. It's so funny. Okay, it is cooler than I thought it would be. I'm being honest here. Okay, Lincoln, push record. Send your first emoji message.
Can you see me? Is this poop or ice cream?
Apple, I was making fun of it being a $1,200 emoji machine, and it's actually cool. I like it.
Oh, it's so cool.
Is it worth buying this phone just for the emojis?
Yeah.
Okay, you heard it here first. But I have one more test.
Is this poop or ice cream? No, don't.
Poop emoji. I'm making it. Let's get some eyeballs on there.
Poop or ice cream?
And then, on there.
Poop or ice cream?
And then, how do you like that, Lincoln? What is it, Lincoln? Listen, it's still going. How does ice cream do with the iPhone 10? Now you know.
Is this poop or ice cream? No, I'm so scared.
Like that. I say ice cream. He says it's poop.
Is this poop or ice cream?
Let us know in the comments what you think. Why do you have a bunch of poop emoji in your mouth? We cleaned off the iPhone. It is really cold. Let's get inside of this thing. That's what you came here for, right? Well, you got more than you wanted with the poop and the ice cream emoji. Let's destroy this thing. Look at that little nut burn. The metal is cutting through and it did have some sparks, so you can actually see the inside of it and then look at the back. We cracked the back glass. I'm sure there's going to be videos on how to fix these and how to repair them, but the latest news has shown that it's over $300 just to replace the back glass,
That's crazy.
which is a lot of money.
If you are getting this phone, buy a case and keep it safe.
hot right here. Let's see if it works now. Oh, it's on. Face ID
Face
still
ID
works.
still works.
We've almost gone along the entire side. It is strong metal. It's taken a while. I think we might need to change up our strategy here. Oh no. Oh boy. Does it still work? We officially killed it. It is dead. We got fire, we got sparks. I accidentally punctured the battery. Do we do a jerry-rig bend test here?
That's stronger than you can completely snap it.
First, you place your blade underneath and you gently pry away the glue on the screen, doing it enough to not damage the other parts.
He sounds much more soothing, like I want to fall asleep when he's talking.
Sliding my pry tool around the edge of the glass, taking special care not to touch the display, which is more fragile than a potato chip.
Are you ready to see what's inside of the iPhone X10? With my bare hands. Woo! That is actually clean. That's the way you get in.
Wow.
There's the two batteries. We punctured this smaller one. This is the first iPhone ever that has two batteries. Check it out. There's a bigger one here. There's there. So it makes it like an L shape.
Oh, you can see the lens of the camera.
I will admit, I did not anticipate that we would have such a clean opening that we'd be able to see everything. So you can see on the front of the lens, you have 1, 2, 3 different what look like cameras. The facial recognition hardware is what makes up this area. So the question is, where do the poop emojis come from? Right here in this section.
Yes. See, it's poop emojis. Everyone go comment. It's poop emoji. It's poop emoji. It's poop.
This section where the blade is going over, that is your motherboard, all your chips and everything. They've stacked them together, which is a new thing that we haven't seen in an iPhone before. So we do love technology.
Yes, I love technology.
We've been asked so many times over the last few years to cut open an iPhone.
We cut things open so you don't have to.
We just donated an iPhone 10 to the world to be cut open so you can see what's inside of it. We are going to give one of you an iPhone. We have a unlocked 64 gigabyte iPhone 10. We'll put a link to the official rules and everything in the description. Comment on this video whether it's ice cream emoji or it's the poop emoji.